Imagine a stunning cosmic symphony, performed by an infinite ensemble of stars, planets, and moons, all moving in perfect harmony. Within this grand celestial orchestra, one section has long captivated astronomers: exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars beyond our solar system, hidden deep within the vast reaches of the Milky Way. Among these countless distant worlds lies a planet so remarkably similar to Earth, so intriguingly familiar, that it could be our very planetary twin. Let's embark on a journey to explore the fascinating realm of Proxima b, a planet just 4.2 light-years from Earth. Thanks to the revolutionary James Webb Space Telescope, our understanding of these mysterious worlds is rapidly transforming. Picture yourself drifting through the Milky Way, a galaxy teeming with more than a quadrillion exoplanets. That's a 1 followed by 15 zeros. To put this into perspective, imagine each exoplanet as a grain of sand. Not only would these grains fill the Grand Canyon, but they'd be enough to build a brand new Grand Canyon 2.0, stretching over 4 miles long. What's even more astonishing is that approximately 20% of these distant worlds are Earth-like in terms of geology and atmosphere. In other words, for every 5 exoplanets, one might resemble our own planet. But the story goes further. These planets could be accompanied by another quadrillion moons, rocky companions much like Earth's moon, locked in gravitational dances with their planets. If you dream of discovering another celestial body that could harbor life, or perhaps one that already does, the universe offers endless possibilities. Now, with the vastness of the cosmos laid before us, it's time to meet the ultimate cosmic artist painting its intricate details: the James Webb Space Telescope. This space detective, with its massive 6.5-meter primary mirror, 2.7 times larger than Hubble's, can capture the faintest flicker of stars billions of light-years away and study the planets orbiting them. But James Webb's power goes beyond sheer size. Equipped with advanced infrared sensors and spectrographs, it doesn't just observe, it analyzes. By examining the unique light signatures reflected or emitted by celestial bodies, it deciphers their atmospheres, compositions, densities, and even masses. Acting as cosmic forensic scientists, these tools can detect the presence of water, organic molecules, or oxygen. James Webb isn't just a more powerful Hubble. It's a monumental leap forward in our quest to understand the universe. If Hubble's revelations amaze you, get ready for an even more spectacular series of discoveries. Among the stars, one world draws special attention: Proxima b. Since its discovery in 2016, this enigmatic planet has become the star of a cosmic story rich with complexity and mystery, captivating astronomers and researchers alike. What makes Proxima b so compelling? For starters, it's in our cosmic backyard, just 4.2 light-years away. To grasp this, imagine traveling at light speed. It would take just over 4 years to get there, roughly the length of a presidential term or the lifespan of a popular TV show. Its closeness is significant beyond convenience. In a universe spanning 93 billion light-years, finding such a promising planet nearby is like unearthing a diamond amidst a mountain of stones. This diamond could hold vital clues about life and our place in the cosmos. Proxima b's allure doesn't stop at proximity. Astronomers believe it could be Earth's twin, Earth 2.0. It orbits within its star's habitable zone, where conditions might be just right, not too hot, not too cold. This offers tantalizing possibilities for life. Imagine liquid water flowing freely, waterfalls tumbling down cliffs, vast rivers winding through strange alien terrains, and oceans as deep and mysterious as Earth's Mariana Trench. But before we get carried away dreaming about vacations on Proxima b, we need to consider some of its unique traits. For example, a single day on Proxima b stretches an incredible 11 Earth days. Picture sunrises that unfold slowly, marking the start of a new day, followed by extended sunsets that bleed into golden hours photographers would cherish. While this sounds enchanting, it raises fascinating questions about the planet's climate and habitability. How would our human circadian rhythms adapt to such a prolonged cycle of light and darkness? Would our eating habits change? Could we even sleep the same way we do on Earth? Life there would be both oddly familiar and profoundly alien. Nature presents us with a puzzle wrapped in mystery. Could a civilization on Proxima b resemble our own? This question challenges our very assumptions about what makes a planet suitable for life. But how can we gather accurate, reliable data about a world we've never physically visited? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it serves as a versatile research lab in space, enabling astronomers not only to observe distant planets, but also to analyze them in great detail. Utilizing infrared sensors and spectrographs, the telescope studies the light emitted or reflected by these remote worlds. By examining specific wavelengths absorbed or emitted by atmospheric elements and compounds, scientists can perform a kind of remote biopsy, measuring atmospheric pressure, density, and the possible presence of life-supporting ingredients like water, organic molecules, and oxygen. The James Webb isn't just an observational instrument. It's an analytical marvel. It transforms speculation into scientific insight, broadening our cosmic understanding and reshaping how we view what might exist beyond Earth. Just when we thought we had uncovered all cosmic secrets, a surprising discovery emerged. Researchers using the James Webb detected something extraordinary from Proxima b, a signal so strange and complex that it ignited intense discussions across academic circles and social media about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. This electromagnetic emission was unlike anything previously recorded, intricate, patterned, and suggestive of an advanced civilization. For a moment, humanity collectively held its breath, captivated by the thought that we might not be alone in the universe. But just as mysteriously as it appeared, the signal vanished, leaving behind an eerie silence, a flood of speculation, and many unanswered questions. Was it a fleeting cosmic anomaly, a quirk in space-time, or perhaps a whisper from a distant intelligence, a coded message, or the echo of an ancient civilization reaching across the void? This solitary signal has shrouded Proxima b in profound mystery, elevating it from a mere candidate for habitability to the heart of cosmic intrigue. The possibilities are thrilling. Could this be part of a grander story connecting us to a wider galactic community? Though certainty remains out of reach, one thing is clear. This mystery intensifies our curiosity and ignites a deep human longing to connect beyond ourselves. And the story continues. As technology evolves, the James Webb Space Telescope is transforming from a passive observer into a celestial detective. Visionary scientists are adapting it into what might be called a galactic night vision device, scanning exoplanets not only for signs of life, but for artificial light. Streetlights, cities, glowing metropolises in alien twilight. Imagine the wonder, a bustling alien civilization shining brightly across the cosmos, not through biological signs, but through their technological footprints. A skyline aglow in the vastness of space, the dark side of a distant exoplanet, artificial lights glimmering like a beacon in the cosmic void. It may sound like the stuff of science fiction, but it's edging closer to science fact. The implications of such a discovery would be monumental. Finding evidence of artificial illumination wouldn't just confirm intelligent life beyond Earth. It would suggest that life is not a rare accident, but a recurring theme woven into the fabric of the cosmos. And what would that mean for humanity? It would transform our philosophies, challenge religious beliefs, reshape politics, and revolutionize science, all in a single, breathtaking moment. We would no longer be isolated beings from a solitary world, but members of a vast and perhaps ancient galactic heritage. It would spark questions deeper than we've ever dared ask. How do we communicate? What wisdom might they offer? And how will we redefine ourselves once we know we are not alone? For now, we remain on the threshold. The James Webb Space Telescope pushes our vision further into dark, uncovering star systems, scanning atmospheres, and revealing secrets long concealed in the quiet of space. Each spectrum decoded, each light curve examined, brings us one step closer to answering the ultimate questions. Are we truly alone? What else awaits us out there? Could we, someday, call another planet home? This is more than exploration. It is awakening. As we stand at the dawn of this extraordinary chapter, we must remember the universe isn't just vast. It's teeming with mystery, waiting to be revealed. And with the James Webb Space Telescope illuminating our way, we are not simply watching the stars. We are discovering our destiny, one star, one signal, one world at a time.